Lifelong learning isn't a trend, it's a necessity. In a world that's constantly evolving, adult learners need more than just one-off courses. They need learning that adapts, scales, and continues to deliver value over time. That's where strategic planning comes in. Strategic planning means designing lifelong learning programs with purpose, structure, and sustainability. It connects the big picture with practical steps, so your program doesn't just launch, it lasts. So how do you do it? Let's walk through the key elements of a strategic plan for lifelong learning. First, define your vision and goals. What's your long-term purpose? Are you helping adults transition careers, upskill in their industry, or build confidence in a specific area? Be clear about who your learners are and what success looks like for them and for your organization. Your vision is your compass. Your goals are the measurable checkpoints that keep you on track. Second, conduct a needs assessment. Before building, listen. What are the actual learning needs, challenges, and gaps? Use surveys, interviews, market research, and job data to understand what learners and employers truly value. A strong program solves real problems, not assumed ones. Third, design with flexibility in mind. Lifelong learners come from all backgrounds. They need options. Offer multiple pathways, short courses, certifications, micro-credentials, online modules, and hybrid formats. Design content that can be updated easily, adapted to different industries, and scaled across different platforms. Fourth, build partnerships. Lifelong learning works best when it's connected to real-world opportunities. Partner with employers, industry groups, community organizations, and education institutions. These partners can offer resources, expertise, internship pathways, and employment pipelines. They also increase the program's credibility and reach. Fifth, develop a sustainable funding and delivery model. Strategic plans must be financially sound. What's your revenue model? Tuition, grants, employer sponsorship, subscriptions. Think through access. Can your learners afford it? Will they need scholarships or installment options? Sustainability means aligning your impact goals with practical financial planning. Sixth, invest in strong support systems. Lifelong learners often juggle work, family, and stress. Make sure your program includes coaching, career services, mental health resources, and peer communities. Support is what turns enrollment into completion. Seventh, measure and adapt. Build in metrics from the start. Completion rates, learner satisfaction, job placement, career advancement, skills application. Review data regularly and improve iteratively. Strategic planning doesn't end at launch. It's a continuous loop of learning, feedback, and growth. Lifelong learning is the key to thriving in the 21st century. But only if we build programs that are intentional, inclusive, and adaptive. Strategic planning makes that possible. It turns vision into action, ideas into systems, and learners into lifelong achievers.